Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I need to tell you something what bad happened last night. There was a massive thunderstorm. I couldn't find the tablet and I was going to record it. Well, I just tried to go to sleep. So yeah, I was thinking of recording it. Thinking of recording it, and then I found the tablet after the storm, and then I had to do that. So yeah, guys, bye. Subscribe.